What up, everyone? About to take off. Got the homie G-Talk in the house. Omar. We are heading to Life Cycle and then the Harley Davidson store. All right, guys. We out. Cycles. We're at Lifestyle Cycles over here in Orange County, and we're gonna head over to Harley Davidson right now. The boys are parked right here. And then I'm letting it grow again, dude. I don't know. I fucking shaved my face. I don't know. I switch it up so much. You always have just a goatee, huh?
It's gangster.
Here we go. The conversation starts.
That shit once, was like, never again.
Yeah, I did it once and my daughter was like, what the fuck? She's 9, but she didn't say what the fuck. She was like,
why'd you do that? I don't like this. I don't like this.
You shaved the whole face?
Yeah. Well, only because I fucked up. Dude, I have a trimmer, right?
Right.
And the clipper didn't clip on right.
Oh,
and
yeah.
as soon as I went, it went. And I'm like,
I told you it happened to me too.
Dude.
It's fucking depressing.
And there was like no saving.
Especially when you have it that long.
And I was like, fuck yeah. Like, the whole thing. I came out of the restroom. And she was like, why'd you do that?
Yeah, bro. That's funny because kids notice it right away. I have clients that tell me all the time when their kids find out that they shaved their beard or something, they're just like, no, don't do that ever again.
There's videos.
Yeah.
Go on YouTube and
where they put the towel up or whatever, and they go, and they drop it and they're like,
they like screaming for no.
I know, my face gets even whiter when I shave my face too.
You just look like a captain.
You hearing that, folks? But I got the Harley ring, ring.
Do the same thing. It's like, dude, just try trimming yourself and it fucking slip off. Like
Don't shave the face.
Like
Never again. You get clowned on.
No, there's no saving.
You get clowned on when you shave your face or do something like this because people start putting you on blast like Omar right here. All right, we're out of here, guys. Follow. Short little pit stop. We're gonna head out right now to Cook's down Santiago Canyon. Daniel, Omar, and then Omar invited another friend. I forgot her name, but she's on her way right now. We're just waiting for her. She has an 883. See what's up when we see her. See what it's all about. We're gonna head out right now and The bobber.
My shit doesn't work. My speedometer and my odometer doesn't work. Damn.
The classic Dyna over here.
Yes, sir. Nothing works but the motor, baby.
Hey. Everything's always breaking down, but we got tools, baby.
I've never had a bike that had a horn.
And the lowrider S. Just pulled up, perfect timing.
Oh, let's get the car to go.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna connect the cardos and we're gonna roll out right now. Follow the journey. Cooks, guys. It's pretty crowded. A lot of bikes, beautiful bikes everywhere. Omar, Daniel, Myra. Doing it right. Get a drink, probably get some food, probably. Just chill. We got the try right here. Just doing it right, stepping into it. Beef jerky on sale right here. You know, get some beef jerky if you're ever at Cook's Corner. Boy, Omar's getting some beef jerky. Let's do it. Step into this right now. All right, here we go. Party started. All right, don't get that beef jerky, I guess. I have a vlog, so I'm just, yeah. All right, guys, so don't get that beef jerky, I guess. I don't want to make anybody look bad, or any kind of vendor look bad. Myra, right?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Yep.
I'm bad with names. I suck with names.
You remember?
All right, we'll continue later on. Yeah?
He likes it, he likes it.
Yeah. All right, cool.
Oh, you know what? I lied. This one's good. I had gas station one.
Can't go wrong with the gas station one, dude.
This shit is the one from Big Bear.
Oh, yeah.
It's probably expired. I was biting into it.
You know why? 'Cause it's like local beef jerky, that's why. Beef jerky's fire. All right, continue the fun. Let's do it. Going down, guys. Doing the cover song of Motorhead. Doing it right at Cook's Corner. Daniel's here. Beautiful moments right here. Beautiful day. Sun's out. Talking to the camera. Don't mind me. Hell yeah.
What year's your bike?
I don't know what.
Say something.
I don't know what.
When I was 5 years old, I was touched by my uncle. No, I'm just kidding. I do that shit every time. He always has to cut it out. Hello, brother. brother. This is an intervention. You're not here. You've been riding too much. You need to focus on your career.
About to roll out. Gonna go ahead to a PCH. Omar is about to go his own way. Me, Myra, and Daniel are gonna go ahead and probably head down PCH. And check this out. This whole view is beautiful. Literally, Cook's Corner right here, live. Coming at you live.
The brewery one, I'm like I was like, he's not gonna come. But the other time, which other time? First time. There was one.
What's up, brother? Hey.
D-Talk over here, sea walking.
Dude, the lady walked in on me taking a piss. A lady walked in on me.
No way. For real?
Then I realized I was in the women's restroom. No, I'm just kidding. No, she came to clean it.
Right safe, bro.
I'm so embarrassed. All right, man. Good meeting you.
Yeah, likewise. Right
We'll ride soon, all right?
Yeah.
He's heading out. Omar's heading out. We're gonna head out together. Let's do it. Right. That's what it is, UTV. Like, comment on it. Tell me what you think about this whole ride. Everybody out there, subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. Eventually when I get to 100 or something, I'll probably do something for everybody. Let's do it.
Flex, yes, I got my foot on their neck. I'm out with a squad to the death. Get to the checks. Flex, yes, got nothing to lose, it's on the brood. Come from the trench. Cuban links on my neck, check. Freeze, smoking on dope, that diesel. Freeze.
Guys, made it to the secret spot. The secret spot. I don't even know why I'm telling you guys this on the camera, but it's not that secret. But the sun is setting. The time has changed. Daylight savings time. So right now it's 3:10. So it's supposed to be 4:10. But winter is coming, so the time has changed. As you notice, check this background out. I'm by the coast. We rode over here from Cook's Corner. And me, Myra, and Daniel separated from Omar. Omar went his own way because he has to do a photo shoot. So we're gonna go behind this secret little location and enjoy the sunset, not sunrise. So let me close these bags up. The Rider S, Dyna, 883, Iron. And I am continuing this vlog. It's been a minute. Coming to them right now. They're probably gonna be surprised when I'm talking to the camera. So guys, hope everybody's having a great weekend. And let's get this party started. All right.
Yeah, no one can see you.
All right, cool. Heading out. Sunset's about to happen. We're gonna go from Laguna Niguel all the way to Huntington Beach. This is how we do it. On the GoPro, baby. GoPro. Shout out to you guys. Thank you. Party life. Go! Oh! That fool's about to tackle me right now. Watch out! Hit me on my ribs right here, on my left, on my right, and I'm still right here. We out, baby. All right, guys. Sun is setting. We are on PCH, right in front of the, I forgot what it was called. I don't even know what the store is, but it's like a plaza. And we're gonna enjoy the sunset and then ride out. Keep going down PCH, back onto the freeway in a little bit. Daniel is holding the spot right now, and I'm about to join him right now. Let's see. Let's go. Come on, guys. Follow me. Sorry. No, you're good. Hey, brother. Good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm great. Your buddy?
Yeah, it's my buddy. Yeah.
Cool too.
Yeah, he's amazing. He's great people.
He is.
Good people.
I can tell.
Yeah, definitely. Hi.
Talk to him. He's
No?
not a good guy.
No? Love that shirt.
I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Love that shirt. Morrissey? Oh. That's what we should be hearing right now.
Oh, really? I got it right here. Let me know.
Definitely. All right, guys. Watching the sunset.
Oh, here we go with the whole vlog.
Vlog. Ah, talking to the camera.
What was your name?
Keeping it.
Melissa.
Hi, Melissa. Ulysses.
I look like Barbie.
Thank you.
Ulysses has a grand.
You ready? Oh yeah.
Both Odysseus, Ulysses.
He's a great descendant.
You are.
No, he's not.
She's like, wow, really? Can I see her? Can I hear something?
She saw right through the bullshit. She's like, nah.
She's like, she has no descendants, no family ties. All right, sun's setting, and we're enjoying the moment. So, I love it
I
out
cannot believe
there.
it's only 4 o'clock.
Time has changed. The time changed.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah. All right, guys. Thanks for following. Keep subscribing, like, comment. We're gonna keep it going. We're gonna have one more stop by the dog beach. Yeah.
I'm up early today.